That's absolutely wrong. 12x is equal to 9. X is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, I want to go over this equation with you guys again, which is from my YouTube short. We have the power tower equation. 2 to the third to the 4 to the x power is equal to 512. It's a notation that causes the confusion sometimes. So if you see this, well, are we trying to say we have 2 to the third and then to the fourth and then to the x that's equal to 512? If you look at it like this, then yes, we can multiply the exponents together. We do get 2 to the 3 times 4 is 12 times x, so 12x. And 512, just like the good old days that you have the 512 megabyte USB flash drive, and some of you guys mentioned the 512K RAM. But anyways, either way, 2 to the 9th power. Well, we have 2 to something, so that implies the exponents have to be equal. And then divide both sides by 12. Reduce the fraction. Yes, you do end up with 3 over 4. However, that was only if the question was written like this. 2 to the third, and then with parentheses to the fourth, and then parentheses to the x power. Then yes, you can multiply it like that with the exponents. However, if the question was written like this, this means by the usual convention, we actually look at this exponent first. So we're looking at 2 to the third to the 4 to the x as this. 4 to the x power worked out first, and then do 3 to that power, and then 2 to that power, and altogether you end up with 512. This thing actually means that, not this, not this. So if you have this situation, then you have to break it down as 2 to the third to the 4 to the x equals 512 is 2 to the 9. So this has to be the same as that. So 3 to the 4 to the x is equal to 9. And 9 is the same as 3 to the second power. So this has to be the same as that because 3 to some power, right? So it implies 4 to the x is equal to 2. And then depends on how you want to solve it from here. If you want to be fancy a little bit, you can look at the 2 as 4 to the 1/2 power, because the half power is the same as taking the square root. It's not multiplying this and that together. It's a square root of 4, which gives you the 2. Then you can see this is the same as that. So the conclusion is x is equal to 1/2. So based on what the question was written originally, this is the correct solution. And this is, yeah, that's it.